Hey guys, so today I'm going to review the C6 Corvette. This is a 2008 model with LS3, 6-speed manual transmission and convertible top. I've had this car for about 6 months and I'm just going to give you my review after 6 months and tell you what I like and what I don't like. At the end I'm going to sum it up with the top 5 things I like and the 2 things I don't like. Let's take a look. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is a 2008. This is an LS3. It's Victory Red with a black top, convertible. Alright, here we go. Let's look under the hood. So this is a 2008. This is the first year of the LS3. This is a 6.2 liter engine. Makes 430 horse. Here's the trunk. Definitely a lot of space. I'll show you this here. So with the top up, you get actually quite a bit of space under here. So this little divider, you put this up when you're ready to put the top up. And actually there's a sensor that won't let you put the top down unless that's up. So still there's quite a bit of space and they really try to maximize it. Overall I think great job. This car has the chrome wheels. Best part about these, they look great and they're really easy to keep clean. So a lot of times when you have aluminum wheels, you get brake dust on them. Very difficult to keep clean. This chrome cleans right up. Really easy to keep clean and looks great. Alright, so let's start it up. So this is a push button ignition. Full gauge package. Really like the layout of the gauges. Alright, so let's put the top down. Show you how easy this is. Basically you have this little lever right here. So the car automatically put the window down. And you have to have the parking brake set. And then you just over here, you just push this button. Alright, so that convertible top, the power top, is awesome, really easy, very convenient. Okay, so this car actually has a Corsa exhaust. It's one of the very few modifications. And it sounds great. We'll hear it in the when we take it for a test drive. A couple more things. So there's a hidden button in here, and that's how you open the door. You gotta have the key fob, and it opens up. Inside, this is your button here. So there's no lever. Now if your battery dies, here's another thing. This is a safety item right here. Because the door is electric, it won't open, so you have to mechanically open it with this lever right here. So people could actually get trapped in the car. Here's another thing. This car actually has push button start with like fob. Let's take a look at the fob right there. So unlock, lock, open the trunk, alarm, and then also this here is a key right here, so that'll pull out. And if your battery dies, okay, so if your battery dies, there is a spot right here, right above the license plate, where you can open the back. So actually, let me. And then there's actually a spot where there's a cord, a manual lever to open the door if you're locked out of your car. Okay, so we're going to take it out for a test drive, and we're going to try to get some real-world driving experience with it. Show you what it's like. Okay, so let me, right now, I'm going to give you the top 5 things I love about this car and the 2 things I don't like about it. So there's really only 2 things I don't like about the C6 Corvette. The first one is the key fob. The key fob is really kind of fragile. One of mine is broken, and I've talked to the dealer and it's very expensive to replace. I just wish it was a little more robust and didn't break. The second thing I don't like is the electric door locks. The button can be a little difficult to find, and you push the button and the car doesn't open. Sometimes you have to push it a couple times. The other part is, if you're inside the car and the battery dies or it's low, you have to use the emergency lever to get out of the car. Okay, now for the likes. My number 1 like for this car is the LS3 engine, 6.2 liter. These LS engines make a ton of horsepower. They really pull, and it's super reliable. Just love it. My favorite thing on the car. My number 2 like on the car is the Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. This transmission is super smooth, easy to shift, a lot smoother than the previous Borg-Warner transmissions or Muncie transmissions. The number 3 thing I like about this car is the Corsa Sport exhaust. It's very mild when you're not on the gas, but when you get on the gas, it really has a nice tone to it.
And again, it's not too obnoxious. The number 4 thing I enjoy about this car is the power convertible top. It's very easy to use and extremely handy. You can be at a stoplight and decide to put the top down, and it just takes seconds. And the 5th thing I like about this car is the 5-spoke chrome wheels. These wheels look great and they're very easy to keep clean.
Alright guys, so overall, absolutely love the C6 Corvette. So C6 Corvettes are made from 2005 to 2013. I recommend a 2008 or newer. 05 and 06 came with the LS2 engine. This has a LS3, started in 08. But overall, this car, you get a world-class sports car for not a lot of money. You can get these in the mid-20s, and you get a lot of performance for that kind of money. I'd say it's a super value. Alright, I hope you liked the review of the car. So if you like the material, please subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos. Thanks.